How to set Spotify song as ringtone 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to set Spotify song as ringtone 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over our Spotify, and in here I have a random playlist. So I can just play anything or any song that I want. So for example, I will play this one and then I will just click on it in order to expand it. And then just click on the heart icon in order to add it to my like song. So the next thing I can do is just click on the three dots up here, and you can see a lot of options right here. You can just click on sleep timer, and in here you can just enter a sleep timer on where this song will end, and it will repeat until the sleep timer goes off. So unfortunately, there's no way to set a Spotify song as ringtone as of now, but in the future there will be, as long as Spotify has received our feedback. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to set Spotify song as ringtone 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.